Hey guys, welcome to 2019. This is going to be a massive year for auto craze. We're going to be starting off with this beautiful Ford PX3 Ranger. We're going to be doing some accessories. We're going to be doing fuel sledge wheels wrapped with the Falken MT01 tyres. We're going to be doing light covers, caliper paint, and we're also going to be putting a bonnet protector. But most importantly, in order to fit these wheels and tyres, we're going to be introducing the latest and the greatest thing from auto craze. This is a PX3 lift kit. It's Australian made, the first in the country of an Australian made product on this beautiful PX3. Stay tuned guys and check this Ranger out.
Book upon a nightstand that I read before I sleep, wishing that the Sandman comes tonight before I count to 3. Get me out of here, feeling in my bones, shiver when the lights die, but I'm safe beneath my sheets, running out of air and tight and claustrophobic surroundings. This vacation's over, waking so much colder. This vacation's over.